In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive. By the end, you'll be comfortable getting into Drive, uploading your files, creating new documents, organizing everything, searching quickly, and sharing safely with others. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Drive, or go directly to drive.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account. If you have more than one account, make sure you're on the right one so your files end up in the correct place. If you see any security prompts, follow them so your account stays protected. Once you're in Drive, let's get your content uploaded. Click the plus new button in the top left and choose File Upload to add individual files from your computer. You can also drag and drop files straight into the browser window, which is often quicker. Keep an eye on the upload status in the bottom right corner, especially for large files. If you're moving lots of items, consider uploading a whole folder from the new menu to keep things in order. Remember that your storage space is shared across your Google services. Next, create new documents directly in Drive. Click the plus new button again and pick Google Docs for text documents, Sheets for spreadsheets, or Slides for presentations. A new tab opens automatically. Everything saves as you type, so you never need to hit save. Give your file a clear name at the top left so it's easy to find later. To stay organized, right-click any file or folder. From there, you can rename it, move it into a different folder, or assign a color to the folder to visually categorize your workspace. Naming conventions, like adding dates or project tags, make a big difference as your Drive grows. When you need to find something, use the search bar at the top. Type a file name or keyword, or click the filter icon to narrow by type, owner, or date. Drive can even search text within PDFs and images, which is helpful for scanned documents. If you don't remember the exact title, try a phrase you know appears in the file. Sharing is simple. Select a file and click the share icon. Enter the email addresses of your collaborators and add a short note so they know what to do. Set their permissions carefully. Viewer lets them read, commenter lets them leave feedback, and editor allows full changes. If you prefer to share via a link, open the General Access section, change it to Anyone with the link, and copy the URL. Only use link sharing for non-sensitive content, and switch it back when you're done. That's it. You're ready to work confidently in Google Drive.